All right, now we're going to go ahead and apply this new 3-tab shingle. Still got to get up under these in order to apply the nails up here. But for now, let's go ahead and start with these. Try my best to be gentle. Not getting too crazy with this. With bending these up, I'm not trying to. But you know, I gotta get it out of my way. So I can actually put the nail in. Come on. Alright, oh, goodness gracious. Just more and more granule loss, man. I'm just trying to get them shingles out of my way, though. Where are they? There they are. Hold on, here we go. Alright. There we go. All right, so mat transfer is not great. I mean, whenever I got here, these were able to lift up real easy. So, of course, we got this new strip here, so when this heats up, this will be good right here. But as I was lifting it, and I'll go ahead and show you once again. Hold on.